Hi guys, I'm Komomo. Thanks for watching. Today I'm going to decorate my cosmetics again, but today's materials are almost Disneyland souvenirs, so please check it out. Today's cosmetics are my Shiseido's foundation and Shiseido's brush. So the designs are very simple, so it's nice to decorate. Then I show you the souvenirs. Ta-da! Look, Minnie Mouse souvenirs. Guess what's inside? Let's open it. Ta-da-da! So there are chocolate inside. It was very yummy. Anyway, I use these ribbon parts here and here. Look, this and this also. This is Minnie Mouse charms. Look, I bought it a long time ago, but Disneyland items are very high quality, so it's very beautiful still now. I use it as a decoration part. So with these items, let's get started. First, I get rid of this part. In this case, if it is very hard, you should use 2 pinches like this. It's easy to get rid of this. Then I use this. I want to put the parts like this with glue. I usually use normal glue and strong glue just in case. These are 100 yen stores items or it's a little difficult because it changed. Be careful. And this part is a little strange, so I want to conceal it with a part, half part like this. Look, I decorated Minnie's cute design. Ta-da-da! And this black one, I want to make it cool design. I only used these 2 parts. I found it in Seria, Japanese 100 yen stores item, like this. But I don't need this connector part, so I use this pinch and like this. Just carve. Okay. Done! Look, this is cool. Do you like them? I really like them. You don't come up with this idea using souvenirs to decorate cosmetics, but it's really nice. So if you like, please try it. You can use anything for decoration. And in this channel, I'm making how to make and how to enjoy kawaii life for non-Japanese people. So if you like, please subscribe my channel. And I also decorate my eyeshadow serum image. So if you like, as the following video, please watch how to decorate serum cosmetics. That's all today. See you, goodbye.